Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, are ants attracted to protein powder? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Protein powder can attract ants due to the presence of sugar and high amount of protein essential for better growth and development. But these powders have an excessive amount of protein that is bad for their health. It can help ants in muscle growth and colony expansion. These are good nutritional supplements that contain essential micro and macronutrients to maintain the functionality of bodies. They allow insects to build muscles and tone their shape to keep their bodies in an active state. In addition, it allows the production of healthy hormones and enzymes involved in crucial processes. Ants need the energy to survive attacks from predators, reproduce, and carry food particles. The energy requirement of colony members differs from each other depending on their task. Protein powders are a rich source of protein obtained from milk, plants, and eggs. In addition, some thickeners, vitamins, sugars, artificial flavors, and minerals are also present. Accordingly, it can attract insects that are looking for a variety of nutrients from a single source. Some colony members need a protein-rich diet. That's why workers reach there to feed them. Adult workers mostly rely on carbohydrates as they need instant energy to perform activities. As a result, they are involved in multiple activities and considered the most active colony members. However, queens and males are the sluggish members that remain resting for most of the year and become active in the mating season. They do not remain busy all day and only build their body muscles by consuming such food. Workers collect these food particles to feed the reproductive members. In addition, the newly born eggs and larvae also need a high protein diet at the early stages of development to grow in a healthy way. Any nutritional deficiencies can make them weak. The sugar and protein in the powders are supposed to help support growth and allow colonies to expand at a reasonable rate, but it usually affects their health due to their higher proportion. They are nutritional supplements prepared from different sources like plants and other types of food, including milk and eggs, which contains whey and casein. They can be naturally obtained from brown rice, flax seeds, and bees, and are used to prepare these powders to improve muscle mass and repair tissue damage. Most ants get attracted to their sweet smell if they have a high amount of sugar or carbohydrates. Commonly, these nutritional supplements contain an excessive amount of artificial sugars that can please the smell receptors of insects and push them to get inside the jar. Whey protein powders usually have lesser sugar content as they have around 3 to 4 grams of carbohydrates in 30 grams, including sugar and sodium. Additionally, casein-based products have around 6 to 7 grams of carbohydrates, 0.5 to 1.5 grams of fats, and 23 to 25 grams of proteins. Hemp products do not contain sugar, sodium, and other saturated fats and are a good source of fiber, minerals, and protein that cannot attract sugar-loving insects. These contain an excessive amount of sugars and carbohydrates that can attract insects. You can keep ants away from this powder by keeping it in a sealed condition. Transferring it from the pouch to a jar with an airtight lid is better for keeping ants away. Clean the outer surface of the jar and packaging material, as any remains can attract them closer and cause contamination of your supplements. You can choose protein powders with lower sugar content to minimize the contamination risk and keep the pest at a distance, as they do not consume from a pure source. In addition, keep the repelling ingredients in a drawer where the pouches are placed, as you can use cinnamon sticks or basil leaves to keep them away. Keep the container dry. Moisture can attract insects to fulfill their water requirements. In addition, sweet-smelling food can attract these insects as they like pleasant odors. Thanks for watching the video.